Hi y'all, it's Vicky and I'm back today with another video. This one is a video about dupe or DIY for the red bottom uh, Louboutins. And I thought, I saw an interview with Christian Louboutin one time. It was years ago. And he was saying the way those shoes came about was he was getting ready to do a runway show, and one of his assistants decided to just paint the bottom of the shoes red. And I thought, well, why is everybody paying all this money just for some shoes that he painted red? I can do that myself. So what I did was I just so happened to be on fashionnova.com and I saw these pumps. They were $29.99 and I thought, Louboutin so Kates. So I purchased them and they fit very well, and I just decided to paint the bottoms of them red myself. And nobody knows the difference. I've worn these 2 or 3 times. And what I did was I went to Hobby Lobby and I just purchased some fabric paint. And this one is in the color crimson. And you can just get some little old paint brushes from Hobby Lobby. You can also get them from Walmart or anywhere where you do your crafts. And just paint the bottom of them. It takes like 2 or 3 coats, and you let it dry in between coats, and there you have it. Simple and easy for $30 versus paying $1,500–$1,600 for a pair of shoes that hurt your feet anyway, because everybody I know that has them says they hurt their feet. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, and you can also purchase, they have a red bottom paint on Amazon for $7, and it's the exact color of the paint on the bottom of the Louboutins, because people have to get those shoes touched up after they wear them, because the bottom of them, the paint starts to peel off, as you're walking on the concrete and everything. So I'll leave a link to that, and I also insert a picture so you can know what that looks like. And I also did these. This shoe is Christian Siriano Payless. I think I paid $25 for these shoes. And he was a winner on one of the episodes of Project Runway. So he has his own line at Payless of shoes and handbags, and then he has his designer stuff at some other stores like Nordstrom's or whatever. And then I had this black suede pump that I did. I don't know, I probably paid $12 for these. And here's some red suede pumps that I have, and I just decided to be different, and I painted the bottom of these purple, just because. Just to do something different. If you have a favorite color or something, and they don't even have to be red. Just do something. Like I said, I always like to be unique. I don't like to blend in with everybody else. I have my own style and my own way of doing things. And I got this color also at Hobby Lobby. But you can also buy paint at Walmart, back there in their sewing and home craft department. Now, I know some of y'all don't want to be buying paint and paint brushes and laying the shoes out. I know everybody ain't got time for all that. So you can get some dupes online. And I purchased these, I think, at wish.com. You can get them at iOffer. I'll leave the links down below to purchase these, but I think these were like $13 or $14. And I have another pair that I purchased. I think these were Wish, And I have another pair that I purchased from iOffer, and they were probably about 40. And on iOffer they have different heel lengths, so if this is too high for you, you can go lower. I think this is the 120 millimeter, but they have the 80 millimeter length. And what you also can do to protect the bottom of your shoes is you can purchase these sole stickers, and they have these on Amazon, and they were like $6 or $7. And I haven't used this yet, but what you do is you get 2 of them in a pack, and it's just a clear protectant, and you measure or draw, outline the bottom of your shoe on here, and then you cut it out, and you just peel it off and stick it on the bottom of your shoe, and that'll protect it from when you're walking around on the cement and gravel and whatnot. And it has the instructions on how to properly apply these to your pumps. And you can also use these if you have the real Christian Louboutins, because I wouldn't want to mess up a pair of shoes that I paid that much money for, and then have to try to touch up the bottom, or take them to the shoe repair and let them touch up the bottom. So that's just a little DIY dupe trick that I use, and I hope it was informative and helpful to someone. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and share this channel, and also hit the notification bell for future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.